this is the new design language which we will see also in the future more at Audi. The A8, which will launch this year, has already made a next step into the direction of the new design language. With every new car we do a next step. There will be first of all a long transition phase until we see there is no combustion engine anymore. But in this transition phase, for sure, these cars are also super emotional. Look to the acceleration, for example, or the horsepower. So it's a really sporty car. It's also talking about emotion. It's not only talking about sustainability.
With two electrical engines in the back and one in the front, we're able to provide you with 320 Newton meters of power, 370 even in boost mode. So we reach an acceleration from 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Also, with a capacity of 95 kilowatt hours, the battery is going to be enough for a range of over 500 kilometers. Top speed is going to be 210 kilometers per hour, but we're going to stop it right there. So the car obviously could go faster.
You see really from far away that this is an electric vehicle. We didn't want to lose our premium single frame. That's why we inverted the grille optically. So the single frame is not an air intake anymore. It is also a body color surface that has a dark frame around it. So already from really a distance from 50 or 100 meters, you see there's an Audi coming, but it's a different Audi. The light you see here is not coming from this source, but it's projected from above. In the lower part, we have an LED matrix that can be very flexible, also to be communicating with other traffic. We don't have an engine in the front. We have the possibility to make the airflow around the car better. So the air goes in here and comes out here, and the aerodynamics getting better and flow over the cabin. This car mixes the coupe feeling with also the more rugged feeling of an SUV in the lower part. We have the big 23-inch wheels, and on top here you have the very flowing roofline. We also make electrification visible a lot by light. Here we have this light band going through completely with this E-tron light signature integrated into the main light. If you look at this surface, which is a very nice coupe-like elegant surface, we really put a lot of emphasis on this.
The character of the exterior is being continued in the interior. You have a very sporty and dynamic driver cockpit with the Audi virtual cockpit, accompanied by black panel architecture where the screens are integrated. The interaction concept of the interiors of Audi in the future will be based on touch interaction. One of the very key elements in the interior is the Audi wraparound. It's how the doors connect to the dashboard. And in this car, they've become intelligent. The virtual side mirrors on the exterior and the displays of those mirrors are integrated into the main architecture of the interior. And you see them here. This car really previews what the philosophy of our interior designs will be like in the future.
We see China as a lead market for electric mobility, and especially for pure electric mobility with pure battery vehicles. They are in general a little bit more open than the traditional markets in Europe or in US. It's the charging infrastructure there, then the demand for full battery vehicle cars will accelerate. But this is now a development which is moving step by step. And I think China is one of the lead markets for these technologies. And this is why we present also this show car, the E-tron Sportback, here in China on the Shanghai Motor Show.